morning coffee time. Hello everybody. So I'm still there, but honestly I still have to wait. What is it? Friday. This Friday my hobby is coming back. Yay. My body is really telling me lately to just do way less, because first of all, it's really warm right now here in Bulgaria, which is amazing. But oh my goodness, if you see it here, oh wait, sometimes these animals are like biting me from everywhere. Yesterday I had a little animal in my shoe, and it was actually really biting me, and it was a little animal. It was not really a spider, but it was like very small, and it was with red on it. And then I'm freaking out because I'm not from here. I don't know which animals are like, poisonous or anything like that. Could be. That's what I've heard. So then, whenever I'm being stung or something, I'm like, what's that? But yeah, I'm still here, but honestly, I will show you guys. Look at what I'm dealing with right now. Yeah. So this is in the front of my house. As you can imagine, whoosh, doing that on your own, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of work. So, you know what? A few days ago, I just decided to listen to my body for once. Stubborn old me. Because I was going on and on and on and on. And actually, I have something called fibromyalgia. And, my body was really not liking what I was doing. So I had to really take a little step back and just relax a little more, because, that's also not right. But yeah, I'm like, I still have some time, because I have to go back for a little bit in a few weeks. And I'm gonna miss it here. The idea that I have to go back is not making me so happy, to be honest. But yeah. But my hobby is coming back Friday. I hope I will never have to do that again. I mean, I did not realize that that was so hard for me to be without him. I mean, we have never been without each other for that long. So I'm so happy he's gonna come back Friday. Oh, I cannot wait. So right now I'm just relaxing in my garden, and the sun is amazing. And these fireflies, guys, in the evening here, it is full of them. It's like they're flying around with their little lights on their butts, and it's just so cute. It's so cute. So, yeah. You know what's also so interesting here? You find all kinds of things, because even in this kind of things, what I'm doing right now, like, I will show you again. Like here, when you're, working here, like here is my little antiques corner, the things that I'm finding everywhere on the property, and I just think it's so cool. And I just put it there, and then I want to reuse that one. It's old, and I want to make a pot with some potatoes, which I didn't use, and all the things like that. Here I have a tomato, here I have potatoes already. And, but what I wanted to say is that I find, like grape. Here, these are little grapes. So, before when we came here, it was full of grapevines. It was totally full, so we had to destroy all of that, because if you think this is crazy, you should have seen it when we just came here. It was like, oh my goodness, it was so high, everything. All these grapevines, they were destroying the roof and everything. And So this is already much better. And now I'm just kind of happy when I find some grapevines with little grapes on it. So I'm going to keep them. And there I have a little rose bush. I don't know if you can see it. I will show you guys. It's so nice. Oh yeah, and I have another story over here with the water. Like here is a little rose bush, which I'm gonna keep also. And I have a little problem with the water here. It is in the bottom there. It doesn't go through anymore, so I have to, sadly I have to destroy this thing here and try to fix it. So, you know, that's me. I want to just try to do things myself. You know, I like it. I like to do a lot of things myself, but still also, of course, would be nice at one point if we can afford some help. But my hubby is coming back, so that is already, so nice. I can't wait. Just a few more nights without my hubby and then he's here. I'm gonna be so happy to see him again. I'm gonna pick him up from Sofia Airport. So I'm very sorry guys that I have not been posting so much lately, but I just couldn't get myself to it anymore. I was just like pooped. Just taking my time, and yeah, I'm just happy to be here. So thank you if you're still watching me. This was a long video. I didn't plan to do that long video, but thank you for watching, and yeah, pray for me because I need strength. I need strength. Whew. So have a lovely day, everybody, and if it's sunny where you are at, like it's here, enjoy the sun, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye!